Yeah, this little bikini fairing right here is not really doing anything for me. I mean, it keeps a little bit of air off of your chest while you're riding, but that's about it. And after having a road glide, I really don't want to ride a bike that doesn't have a fairing. So we're going to be getting rid of this tiny little bikini fairing. As I told you guys, we are turning my 2023 Lowrider S into a Lowrider ST. I'm doing the cost efficient way. I got the Lowrider S instead of the ST, and we're gonna build it into an ST. And one of the main things that makes an ST is the Lowrider ST fairing. HOGWORKZ. HOGWORKZ, that is right. HOGWORKZ makes an ST fairing for street bobs, lowrider S's, other softtail models, and it is called the Ruckus ST fairing. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Ruckus ST fairing from HOGWORKZ. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. You will not regret it. I put out content pretty frequently. If you don't know, I work at Independence Harley-Davidson in Matthews, North Carolina, where I work in sales. I'm on the front line. I see all the new stuff, and I make a lot of ride and review videos and different stuff like that. So you could really benefit from it by subscribing to my channel. For those of you that are returning, look at you. You're back. I'm not gonna make a big deal of it this time, but you're back. And I really appreciate it, and I want to tell you, thank you. Thank you so very much. We are going to be removing the tiny bikini fairing and installing an ST fairing, but in this video right here, we're just going to be unboxing the fairing. I'm going to have to figure out the installation, if I'm going to install it or if I'm going to have somebody else install it, but I want to go ahead, unbox it, take a look at it, see what it's going to take, see what it looks like. That is right, HOGWORKZ. HOGWORKZ, ladies and gentlemen, makes an ST style fairing called the Ruckus fairing, and it's paint matched, it's easy to mount up, and I really suggest you check it out. And we're going to take an up close look at it. As you can see, I've got a few things here. It looks like I've got a windshield, I've got a headlight, which we're also going to talk about, and then I've got the fairing. If you've never heard of HOGWORKZ, they are a Goliath in the motorcycle industry. They make almost anything you can think of for your Harley-Davidson. They're located in Detroit, Michigan, and they make like so much stuff for your bikes. I mean, LED lights, body parts, engine guards. I mean, anything that you can think of, they make it, and I want to really give them a huge shout out. I decided to go with them for the fairing. I like to do unboxing videos like live. Like, I don't like to go ahead and unbox it and then do the video. I like to go ahead and just make the video, unbox it, so you can see the live reaction from me and my first like initial opinion and review of the product. There's a lot of people out there that don't understand the value of having a fairing on your motorcycle, especially people that are just getting started out. They usually like the stripped down look of the bike, and they don't like the fairing. It looks a little bit too bulky, this, that, the other. But once you start riding on the highway or doing long distance all the time, you will really appreciate a fairing or a windshield. I mean, screw a windshield, honestly, screw a windshield. A fairing is the way to go. And that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking this off, and we're going to be putting the ST fairing on here. It's going to look pretty sick. But I just feel like a lot of people just don't appreciate the value of having a fairing until they get out there and put a lot of miles on their bike. Commuting back and forth to work, I basically get on a freeway and I'm booking it for like 30 minutes, and it's rough. It's rough with this tiny little bikini fairing. As many of you know, I have a 2004 Dyna Lowrider, and we have the Road Warrior fairing from Memphis Shades on that bike, and it actually adds a lot of wind protection, so I prefer to ride that to work for the time being. But after we install this ST fairing on the Lowrider S, this thing is going to be ready to crush some miles. All right, guys, I've been putting this off for a while now, so I'm super stoked to unbox all this stuff. So we're gonna unbox the windshield first. They give you an option to get an 8-inch style windshield, which is what I went with here. I'm sure that eventually I'll be able to put like a HOGWORKZ windshield on this fairing as well. Nice. Oh yeah. There it is, 8-inch dark smoke windshield from HOGWORKZ. All right, next up is gonna be the headlight. So HOGWORKZ makes a pretty sweet looking LED headlight. They've got the Silvertooth and the gold tooth. Obviously the gold tooth is kind of like that yellow tint. I went with the Silvertooth, and this is gonna be a 7-inch headlight. So this headlight will only mount up to the ST style fairing. I'm not sure if it's any ST style fairing or if it's just a Ruckus style fairing, but we're gonna go ahead and change the headlight when we change the fairing. Looking good. Gotta have some gear. Gotta represent. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, man, look at this. I do want to say that HOGWORKZ does a really fantastic job of boxing their products. Like this is badass, man. This is like, I kind of want to just leave it like this. Yeah, this is nice. So we got the HOGWORKZ Silvertooth Performance LED headlight. Pairing that with the fairing. Nothing else. I mean, come on. Come on. Woo! Next level stickers right here, guys. Next level stickers. Detroit, Michigan, Motor City. Oh, look at this headlight. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Man, that is solid right there. That is solid. Yeah, that looks absolutely fantastic. This is the HOGWORKZ Silvertooth 7-inch Performance LED headlight. That is sick right there. All right, and now for the grand finale here. You know that it says if it's fragile, do not drop. There's something special in here. And then you know that it says do not open with a sharp object, that you're really working with some quality stuff right here. So I'm gonna open this thing up the only way I know how, really. I mean, I don't know how to open this up without a sharp object. So we're just gonna be super careful. Woo, like butter, baby. Another sticker hidden in plain sight. Double the stickers, double the fun. You guys, this is massive. All right, we're getting deep into the good stuff now. Oh, baby. Oh, son of a gun. Wow. Wow. There is the outer fairing in white sand pearl. And we're looking at the bike right here. And I mean, the color is just perfect. It's identical. Identical. Look at that thing. Holy hell. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to get this mounted up to the bike. Now, I wanted to make an unboxing video because I'm not sure if I'm going to do the bars on the bike at the same time I'm doing the fairing. Another reason that I wanted to unbox this was to see if it had any installation instructions, just to make sure that I can install it myself. You guys, that looks really good right there. That's the outer fairing. Here we go. We've got the inner fairing. Ooh, look at that. There's the inner fairing right there, paint matched. I mean, if you guys buy this product, you can see that it's packaged really well. The craftsmanship that went into this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. You're getting some really good stuff when you get this fairing. This is not cheap at all. I mean, this is just as solid as OEM right here. Super excited about the inner being paint matched as well. That is huge right there. I mean, the outer is sick, and even with the black inner, it would have been sick. But the fact that this is paint matched is going to really set this bike apart from the others. HOGWORKZ Ruckus ST Fairing, guys. Oh man. And there's the main neck piece right there. I can tell you that is solid right there. Oh man. All right, guys, there you go. I mean, I was not expecting how amazing this fairing actually looked. We've got the hardware, I've got everything here, and now I've just got to decide if I can install it myself. Like I said, go ahead, hit the like video, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for the installation on the bike. It's gonna be sick. Let me know what you guys think. I totally recommend the HOGWORKZ ST Ruckus fairing. It looks great. I can't wait to get it on the bike and see how it performs. But so far, everything looks amazing. Guys, my name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances, go put some miles on your bike. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.